Boa, nós tá aqui chegando agora aqui no meu canal. Você que está chegando agora no meu canal, o canal do Nenê do ABC, canal Alexandre Bizan Cruz, Bizan, Nenê do ABC, está aí na área, porque agora eu venho o quê? Malandro, agora eu vou vir, mano, eu vou falar pra vocês agora, certo? Eu vou vir com um som pesado. Eu vou tocar um som pesado pra vocês. Só toca aqui, caralho. Eu só toco aqui, caralho. Certo? Só eu tenho esse som pesado, caralho. Mano, vocês vão curtir o som que eu vou tocar pra vocês, cara. É, mano. Som pesado pra vocês. É som que é bateção nas caixas, mano. É rap de verdade da gringa, caralho. Certo, mano? Solta o som, DJ.
I cannot believe it. Real life, I cannot believe it. Eyes open. She from Jamaica, Queens, only came to Harlem to shop. Her mother just got a divorce and her father a cop. I learned this about 10 minutes in the conversation. I'm thinking I don't even know you, why that information? My head was racing, I'm pacing, back and forth, asked her for a number, her name Keisha. Nice to meet you. She said she never fucked with nobody from Harlem. I got homies from Southside, I figured I would call them. I found out exact locations and where she grew up. Her mom's new boyfriend got some coke, then he blew up. She used to play with credit cards and
verdade, mano. Rap da gringa, cara. Rap da gringa. Só eu tenho isso. Só eu tenho, mano. Olha só.
Retros, I'm about to cop some new ones. She said she had the Mandarin, Oriental in Columbus Circle. She got some sour, but she wanted purple. I told her later we can link up. I called my young and kinda bring her eighth to her. He plotting on taking her. Funny little nigga, but fuck it, that's how we raised. If it ain't white,
só eu tenho som da gringa de verdade, mano. Nenê do ABC, canal no YouTube, mano. O som é pesadão, caralho, mano.
He went to school with her, said he used to be cool with her, but he ain't fuck her though. Not calling me, I forgot to text him the address. I'm going through some other shit, honestly got me mad stressed. Can't deliver that, we bout to meet. I got a club tonight. Told Keisha if she up, I hit her when it's over. Now it's Rose Henny. Strippers all over me, I ain't throwing a penny. Got a text from Keisha, I'm in room 17C. I know you with your homies now, but later come and see me. I'm rolling out, Scott Dweller, the light hitting it right. I'm hearing niggas talking like that's Dave East, that nigga nice. Ain't told me 30 minutes flatline. Backwoods I pack mine, unless I want them harsher. Please don't know I'm barber. I called my driver and told him take me to Midtown. Had to stop for condoms, cause raw ain't the way I get down. He dropped me off, I told him park it and don't leave yet. Let me see what this bitch about, something I gotta figure out. I'm in the telly, I hit the elevator blunted, stumbling, just Hennessy and Rosé up in my stomach. Figure we fucking, then order some room service.
É isso aí, mano. Canal no YouTube Nenê do ABC. Rap é de verdade, rap é aqui, ó. Som é esse, cara. É rap, mano. É o batidão. Certo, mano? Rap da gringa. É, mano.
This bitch delirious, shit Eddie know. When he taking over, we passed out. At least I did. 15,000 in my ball means I'm lacking. I put my rollie in the dresser with like 4 chains, my ID and my bank card. iPhone 6 to make calls. Condom box and 3-pack, I used 2 of them. Brand new Fendi sneakers, the club just ruined them. Something told me wake up. I checked the bag, nothing but pillows and covers. I had to shake my head. I check my jeans, every dollar gone. That's 15K. All my chains and my rollie missing. I put my shit on, looking for my phone. That shit was going too. I'm ready to kill Keisha. What the fuck I'm going to do? I told myself I wasn't drinking. Why the fuck I get bit? And how the fuck I get robbed? I ran out. My driver sleep. I woke him up like you ain't see that bitch. Brown skin thick, probably moving on some scheming shit. He telling me that he was sleeping.